Anita Evelyn. Her and her husband, Clan Kachik, who is the district commissioner of Kampala, passionately kissing. In 2 days, she posted 4 photos with the caption, "Nothing can stop emotions." Mark that word, nothing can stop emotions. In the second set of photos posted yesterday, she said, "Happy Sunday, friends. Next time I will go for holidays with only those who make good comments," in reference to the negative comments she got on her previous post. Another word you should mark: going on holidays with those only who post good comments. And the first one, nothing can stop emotion. Nairobi News sampled some of the comments she received on her photos portraying intimate public displays of affection. These are the comments. There's a guy who commented, "But honorable, kissing is emotional and eyes should be closed. What is this you are doing?" That comment came from Patrick Akuku. To this, she responded, "My dear, I need to see you well." Of all Ugandan honorable ministers, there are things an honorable minister should display to the public, but this one doesn't deserve any respect. Said Herbert Baluku, to which Anita responded, our marriage was blessed by God, the presence of the public, and the head of state. So my dear, I am just trying to tell the young generation to love and get married to the right partner, not those things of a man marrying his fellow man." So that's what she replied. Another person also commented, "An adult posting gestures of kissing on a social platform, whereby when we are with our kids using phones, they are equally seeing such a tweet. Very unbecoming. These are images you can keep in your gallery and send to your husband's WhatsApp when you are not close. Grow," said Wapokula Emmanuel, to which Anita responded, "What a password. Is that a kiss or a sack? Is that a kiss or a sack? Ugandans can really disappoint," said Gifted Bless, to which she asked, "Why is sacking not allowed?" It is not known why she suddenly posted photos of herself being intimate with her husband online, but Ugandans are not here for it. Kaka 4 years ago, Mrs. Anita addressed claims she was sexually promiscuous and was offering herself to many young boys. The Trumpet News of Uganda reported that she said she was married, is a faithful wife, and did not go around opening her skirts for anyone. "I don't just open my skirts for her. I choose him with a reason," said Mrs. Anita, as she also dared those spreading the rumors to provide the notes they claim they had. She went on to state she did not have any nudes with anyone but her husband, with whom she sleeps with while naked. Now, let's look at something technical. I'm going to introduce you to a topic called compulsive sexual behavior. In overview, compulsive sexual behavior is sometimes called hypersexuality or sexual addiction. It's an intense focus on sexual fantasies, urges, or behaviors that can't be controlled. This causes distress and problems for your health, job relationships, or other parts of your life. Compulsive sexual behavior may involve different kinds of commonly enjoyable sexual experiences. Examples include masturbation, sexual arousal by using a computer to communicate, multiple sexual partners, use of pornography, or paying for sex, and also kissing in public. So, kissing in public is one of the compulsive sexual behavior among the men. But when these sexual behaviors become a major constant focus in your life, are difficult to control, cause problems in your life, or are harmful to you or others. That's likely compulsive sexual behavior. No matter what it's called or the exact nature of the behavior, untreated compulsive sexual behavior can damage your self-esteem, relationships, career, health, and other people. But with treatment and self-help, you can learn to manage compulsive sexual behavior. Now, these are the symptoms of uh, compulsive sexual behavior. Some signs that you may have compulsive sexual behavior include kissing in public. Another one is you have repeated and intense sexual fantasies, urges, and behaviors that take up a lot of your time and feel as if they are beyond your control. You feel driven or have frequent urges to do certain sexual behaviors, feel release of the tension afterwards, but also feel guilty or deep regret. Another one is you have tried without success to reduce or control your sexual fantasies, urges, or behaviors. You use compulsive sexual behaviors as an escape from other problems, such as loneliness, depression, anxiety, or stress. You continue to engage in sexual behaviors in spite of them causing serious problems. This could include the possibility of getting or giving someone else a sexual transmitted infection, the loss of important relationships, trouble at work, financial issues, or legal problems. You have trouble making and keeping health and stable relationships. Now, to pause the compulsive sexual behavior, let's look at the African perspective on kissing in public. When somebody kisses in public, in Africa it is an abomination. And these are the correct reasons. Africans look at kissing in public as a step towards sex in public. They are kids, they are unmarried people. If the children see you kissing in public, the children will start imitating kiss. You should not get surprised that your boy may end up kissing a girl and your daughter may end up also kissing someone else's son at a tender age, even below the age of 10. They can do that. And this is why Africans don't accept sexual behaviors in public. Things like kissing in public. Kissing is a step towards sex. Now, as a finance minister, kissing in public and in a car. I remember watching Idi Amin's movie where Idi Amin was having sex in a car and the car was bouncing like this, ting, 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 ting. So now, you go ahead to kiss in public. What image do you send? Of course, you kissed in the car. Now, what will the people be thinking? People will start thinking that maybe you're fond of having sex in cars. So, assuming you park somewhere, you kiss and you get turned on, and you start having sex in the car will start bouncing. Boom, boom, boom. After your kiss, mwah. So now you see a lot of problems that you have caused. So that's the African perspective of kissing in public. It is abominable. It is not allowed. Now, when to see a doctor if you have a compulsive sexual behavior? Ask for help if you feel you have lost control of your sexual behavior, especially if your behavior causes problems to you or other people. Compulsive sexual behavior tends to get worse over time without treatment. So get help when you first notice a problem. As you decide whether to seek professional help, ask yourself, can I manage my sexual impulses? Am I distressed by my sexual behaviors? Is my sexual behavior altering my relationship, affecting my work, or causing serious problems such as getting arrested? Do I try to hide my sexual behavior? Getting help for compulsive sexual behavior can be difficult because it's such a deeply personal and private matter. Try to set aside any shame or embarrassment and focus on the benefit of getting the treatment. Remember that you are not alone. Many people struggle with compulsive sexual behavior. Mental health professionals are trained to be understanding and not judge people, but not all mental health providers are experienced in treating this condition. Look for a provider who has experience in diagnosing and treating compulsive sexual behavior. Keep in mind that what you say to a health care or mental health provider is private, but providers are required to make a report if you tell them that you are going to hurt yourself or someone else. They also are required to report if you give information about sexual abuse of a child or abuse or neglect of someone who is vulnerable, such as an elderly or disabled person. The kissing in public by Anita Mo was far beyond just showing people that homosexuality is bad. It is a shame in an African setup. She should go and do that one in Europe or United States. Thank you for watching this live stream, and then bye bye.